Why are you in the corner of the room?
I say right foot creep, oh, walking with that heater.
So, listen. I want to have a talk with you, Denji. Here, listen. Come on.
I'm in the middle of watching TV.
Well, if you don't turn this here. What is that? You've been watching this since episode 1. Like, turn this off.
Yeah, the show is really. I feel really invested in the show. What do you want to talk to me about?
I want to have a conversation with you, sir, about why you've
With
just
me?
been so down lately. Yes, you. Who's the other person?
Oh, why have I been so down lately?
Yes.
Oh, well. Let me put you in there. Let me explain what happened, right? So me and Aki made this bet, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I could go behind this girl, and I could try and riz her up, then I get some money, right? So I go behind the girl, try and riz her up, and guess what happens?
What happened?
She teleports!
How did that happen?
So I do it again, and guess what happens? She teleports! And then, when I think I finally have a chance, guess what happens? It's crushed right in front of my eyes. Doesn't happen to anyone else. Only me. What do you know? It's only me.
I get how you're feeling, Denji, but like you're saying that because of this bet, you are just what the f? You lost a bet and you're extremely sad.
I lost the bet. Now I'm depressed.
You know what? How about that was disgusting. Listen, I have something that can cheer you up.
Boobs?
Now that you think about it, yes.
Yes. Titties.
Calm down. Calm down. Denji. Do you
Power, where are we?
We're at a club. Like, we're about to riz some.
Why? Oh, I got you.
You wanted to see girls, right? Alright, so Denji, first things first, we gotta get a hotel.
Hey.
Because we're gonna be staying here for a while. So, can we get
What?
like a... Did I stutter? I'm sick and tired of staying at that home of yours. It's so dirty. It's
I don't own the house. I don't own the house. That's Aki's apartment.
Bro,
It's Aki's apartment.
Listen, Aki's apartment is extremely dirty. I don't want to live there anymore.
I think that's because of us.
Exactly. Y'all leave y'all socks everywhere. Y'all leave candy wrappers on the floor, bro. Come on now. Can we please get a room for like... Just give us a room, alright? I don't even care. Like, are you deaf? Or... Denji. Now thinking about it, I think this is it.
I think I want to go back.
Yeah,
I can't think.
Denji. That's a child.
Oh!
Let's check out our new hotel. Let me show you what's different.
How can you even afford to get an apartment, let alone bring us to a club?
Don't worry about that. I'm just like that. All right.
Hey.
To the...
Yo, MG,
Yes.
are you a male?
Let's go to the look when Aki joins. All right, we gotta tell him what's going on, and How we going?
This looks like a reskinned McDonald's.
I mean,
I don't think there's gonna be any girls here.
oh no, there definitely are gonna be
Or at
girls
least
here.
hot
I already see one
girls.
girl. Like I see one girl. Someone's approaching us. Who's approaching us?
Hey guys.
Hi.
It's you.
Wait.
But it's you.
Wait a minute. Wait, Aki.
What are we doing at Starbucks? Aki, we're here to get me some girls.
Exactly.
I'm trying to
Why-
cop
Yo,
you some.
wait, why is Nikki here?
You-
What are you doing?
We're playing White Woman Simulator. I'm gonna go be a white woman.
It's Nikki. That one person. Aki, we're here to cop me a feel of some boobas. You know? Oh, you're definitely gonna win, bro. Any dream you accomplish it, you got it, bro. I've had many dreams and none of them have come true. Hey, power. Shut up. You have to indulge him in his dreams.
It's my favorite corn chai caramel macchiato.
Shut up. Have you seen the video?
I know. I wasn't in it. I was in the thumbnail, but
Yes.
you covered my face with the logo.
Not me. I didn't make the video. That was him, and he's laughing, bro. I'm sorry. I didn't make the thumbnail. I swear.
I had good material in there, man. We had the piss room. Man.
I'm so sorry. Next time for sure.
Listen.
Didn't make
There
the
was
thumbnail.
piss. Everything was piss.
Yes.
Stand here like idiots.
Oh right.
Exactly.
Let's all be white women.
Oh my god.
Hello. I am here to cop a feel of some boobs. I'm here to feel some baba boo. You know.
Why is she also power? Why is she also power?
Would any,
Do your job. Do your job.
would any of you let me?
Good job.
Would any of you let me?
Listen. Try her again. Try her everything.
I squeeze your breast.
Yo, what's wrong with
I think he's talking to you.
I can riz her.
Probably no blood.
Ew, you're so ugly. Jesus.
Look, there's somebody right there. You can press him.
Remember
corn.
the word waiter.
Corn. Yo, are you a red?
Yeah, she's about to kill herself.
Are you a red traffic light? Cause boy, I want to speed past you.
Denji.
Please hit me.
Denji.
That was good riz.
She just sighed. She was. She.
That was a sigh of relief. That was one of those laughs where you blow out your nose, right? Like the
no hose.
No. She
hose.
sighed like she was disappointed. Like.
Are you a microwave? Cause damn girl,
He's definitely not gonna get Lizzo
Stop mentioning Lizzo in every conversation. Damn girl, are you a microwave? Cause that was pretty.
No, you need to leave. You need to leave.
Hey, give me a pickup line.
Try a Christmas one, even though we're not in Christmas right now.
How am I not
Listen,
dead?
say no.
Are you one of Santa's elves? Cause you're a ho ho ho.
And he lost. He lost the game instantly. He lost. He disconnected from the game. He scored a strike and he disconnected. He scored a strike and he disconnected. No, you scored a strike and you disconnected.
Oh. Nintendo might
You
sue
scored
us
a
for
strike
this,
and
but-
disconnected.
Make a pickup line related to that one damn Mariah Carey song they play in the mall. 24/7, all the time.
Are you Mariah Carey? Cause all I want for Christmas is you.
Oh, you win. That's a good one. That's actually a good one.
That's a good one,
You got
man.
this.
Try that.
You gotta try this Riz. You gotta try this Riz, bro.
You Mariah Carey? Cause damn girl, all I want for Christmas is you.
Yes, I would like to report in a sexual assault.
I think I should call the police.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, no, come back! Wait!
There's a pedophile.
I can't! No witnesses! No witnesses!
Wait.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't think it worked.
Yeah.
Can you stop?
Stop.
Listen. Listen. I want to set my boy DENJI up, alright? How about y'all go on a date at McDonald's?
Why is he keep?
I have 100K right now in my hands, but I can hand this to you once we're done. Like, I know. Like, please. Just, he's been pretty sad lately, you know?
No, he's good.
He lost a bet
He's got unspoken
if he
words.
could go behind the girl and raise her up,
I do.
but she kept on teleporting.
No, matter of fact, no, it's just sexual harassment.
And he
It's
got his dreams
sexual
crashed
harassment.
before his eyes.
Yeah, he's definitely a sexual harasser.
So it really make it
What's wrong
really
with you, bro?
it would really make it up to him,
That's
you know?
advanced style what a sexual
Just,
harasser would do. That one too.
No,
That's
what's
how he's a
happening over
sexual
there?
harasser.
What's
You could
happening over
I'm doing this for you, Cubby Wubby.
No, you're not.
You lucky they didn't see that.
If you were
You lucky
blind,
they
you
didn't
would
see
not.
that. Alright,
Would you like me to get you the
so like
vanilla
he's in there. Alright, he's chilling.
or some
He's waiting for you. Just one thing.
Mm.
Mention the fact that I'm paying you to do this.
chocolate?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
You better pay me more, though.
Fair enough. Fair enough. That's fair enough. Alright, come on, let's go.
Serving this only. Hello, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you?
Oh my god!
How may I help you on this joyous first date night? Would you like some drugs
I won't
or
fumble,
some
no.
normal
Yeah.
food?
Tell me what to say.
Ronald, you owe me money. What
Do you
happened
want
to
the
our
drugs
I
or
say
the normal
first?
food, y'all?
I want all the fries.
Damn,
You know, I'm
fatty.
fucking bad. No,
Could you get a little salad on the side?
You
You
do
can't
is
say that.
all you do is fucking turn into a fucking chainsaw with those ugly ass hands too, chainsaw hands.
Nah.
Shut the fuck up. I know you're not talking to me.
Me
You're
personally.
fat.
Are your fries, ma'am?
You're built weird.
I'll take this, thank you.
Monkey. Monkey.
Guys, I don't think she. Yeah.
It's because you called her fat. Are you stupid? You gotta learn.
Well, she
Did kinda ruin
wanted.
it.
She said that. She said she wanted all the fries. If that's not being fat, I don't know what it is. I don't know what is.
I think we got off on the wrong hand.
Y'all sure.
Yes, you did, because you're a
Are you not gonna tell me your name? I don't think it's.
Would you like? Can I get you guys a Happy Meal to start?
Oh, you're a little shy. Well, don't be shy. You like
Can I get
dogs?
you guys?
Can I get a Travis Scott burger?
No, we don't
Yeah.
sell
I
Travis
like
Scott
dogs.
burgers.
Denji,
Oh,
don't
yeah,
say
okay.
it. No, Denji.
I've been practicing.
Denji, Denji, sit down. Sit down.
No.
Oh my god.
That's eye show speed. Denchi, that is eye show speed. Don't even smile on themselves up, bro.
He's balling. Damn. Oh.
Listen. I don't. He could be a little. This is all I gotta say. He cannot filter his words, and he's a little slow in the brain. All right. So you just kind of go.
No.
You just kind of go.
This.
Go with,
No. I don't think I can do this anymore. This nigga balling.
what are you talking about?
He started barking at me.
Exactly.
He started barking at me.
Listen, that's just something he does. Like, I cannot control that, and I'm sorry.
Would you
But you
like?
gotta
That's just not normal. That's just not normal.
I know, but listen, you gotta realize, like,
I'm not gonna be with no human dog.
Can I get you a Halloween bucket, or can I give you a regular one?
That's not funny. Denchi, that's not funny.
Can I get you? Yeah, that's what. Yeah, you can use it when you leave.
What do I say now?
you ask her how her day is going.
Oh wait! Before you tell me what to do, Aki told me that girls love the. Yeah. Okay.
No.
I got you the ghost one because
He's throwing it.
Masturbate.
Why not? Why not?
Excuse me?
Denji, I swear to
Don't
God,
girls
if you
like
pull
chainsaws?
that- If you pull it,
They do. Don't listen to power. Don't listen to power.
Oh, they
Don't
do.
listen to power.
Not really.
Just do it and see what happens.
Hello, diarrhea from the food poisoning I got at Arby's yesterday.
All right. Okay.
Cord is
I'm not
pulled.
gonna pull
The
the
cord is
chainsaw.
pulled.
I'm not gonna.
He tasted the Arby's food poisoning.
He's done.
DENJI.
Oh no!
Food poisoning.
No!
Wait, that's it. It's over. It's
No,
over.
his
It's over.
demons! No, you're bugging!
Hold on, let me feed him a little bit
And
more.
that's it. That's it. It's gone. It's gone.
He's got no wrist, so he eats the Arby's.
She's going in her whip. She's driving off.
She's going in her whip. She's driving off.
Come, please. Come, please.
Oh my dad! Hello? Dad? Please pick me up. I'm so scared, please.
No, gotta call her.
He pulled my cord. He did it. He pulled the cord. Why are you laughing? Is this